Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to today's video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please take out this time to hit the subscribe button and like this video as well. In this video, I want to show you how to schedule an email in Outlook. When you log into your Outlook email, go to where you see new email, click on that and you'll find something like this. Enter the recipient's email address and at the subject, type in the subject. Okay, now enter the body of the email. Now that we are done with this, go ahead, go to the menu of your inbox. You will see the options. Click on the options. Then go to where you see that particular icon. Now, if you get to this particular icon, you'll see the description there. It says specify a date and time at which this email should be delivered. All right. Now, click on that icon. Okay. Now, schedule send box would come out. You'll see tomorrow morning, Sunday morning, and you will set the time. Okay, if you don't want to go by this particular timing, you can customize the time that you want the email to be delivered. So I'm going to click on the custom time. Now over here, I can choose the date that I want this email to deliver. Let's choose on the 6th. Okay, select a date. I've selected the date and the time. I can click the drop down arrow and choose the time that I want it to be delivered anytime and then click send. Okay, now that is it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Like the video and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.